Hey guys, it's Vickie Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we are going to be unboxing a very new product. It's the Tabletop Happy Jack Diffuser. And I am so excited about this new product. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing a brand new product. It's called a Tabletop Fan Diffuser, and I'm so excited. It's something that does not use wax, and this one happens to be the Happy Jack Tabletop Diffuser. And I'm so excited because, like I said, this is a brand new product. We've had wall fan diffusers and other diffusers that did not use wax, but this tabletop one is brand new. So let's go ahead and open her up. And I am so excited. This is perfect for places that you don't want like a waxident, where like you don't want someone to bump it. Like for me, I'm going to put this on my desk because I'm always bumping my desk. So I obviously wouldn't want wax on it because I would constantly be spilling. Wax is perfect for places where, you know, people aren't going to bump into it. But these are amazing. I'm super excited. Okay, so let me go ahead. And it's USB powered, so it's perfect for your desk. So think teachers, think dorm room, anywhere that you would want some scent. But you wouldn't want, you know, a waxident. So I have the wall fan diffuser in my hallway because I used to hit, it's a very low outlet, and I used to hit my mini warmers every time I vacuumed. So, which, I mean, I was able to clean it up. You just use a paper towel and a blow dryer, warm it up, wipe it up. It's good to go. Once it melts, you can wipe it up. But I didn't want to keep having to do that, so I went to wall fans instead of mini warmers so that I didn't have to use wax. Okay, so you get your cord. Let me plug mine in, and let's see, where's the plug? This is brand new to me as well, so I hate these, darn it. Let's see, where does it, oh, okay, so it plugs in right back here. All right, let's see. Am I upside down? Is that in? There we go. It's in. Okay. So, it doesn't feel, oh, okay. There's a power button too. See, I told you, this is brand new to me too. There we go. I don't know, can you hear it? And this is what it looks like. Okay, so it has a fan on the inside, okay? And what you do is you get something called pods. You get 2 in one pack. It's a pod twin pack. This one happens to be one of my favorite scents, pumpkin roll. Yum. It's like a bakery pumpkin scent, and I love it. You can use 1 or 2 of these. Each one is 180 hours worth of scent. So you just drop it in. Oh my gosh, and it's instant scent. Ooh. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so that's what it is. So now I can sit this, it's going to go right there on my desk, so I can have scent without worrying about a waxident. So perfect, perfect, perfect. Also nice if you have small children and you don't want them like putting their fingers in it. Now, our wax warmers, we do not burn our wax, we warm it. It does not get hot, it gets warm. So even if your child was to put your finger in it, it wouldn't burn them. But you don't want them making a mess. You know how toddlers and stuff, you know, love to sprinkle stuff everywhere like confetti. So these are perfect for that if you're worried about that. But it's instant scent. Ooh, and I just got a 6-pack of pods. So I got, these were the pumpkin roll. And then I got pumpkin cinnamon swirl. I just got these in. I love this scent. I actually buy the room spray in this. And I spray it on myself. And people are like, who smells like pumpkin? I'm like, that would be me. Cider mill, one of my favorites. Ooh, I love cider mill. And then this one is a new scent. Cashmere leaves. Ooh. Ooh, I really like that. Ooh. Ooh, that's great. Then what is this one? Farm stand pumpkin. That's good too. That's a classic. And then the last one is, ooh, caramel apple craze. I love this one. So I am all set for pods. And how cute is this? Happy Jack. Tabletop fan diffuser. I have to learn to say that because this is a new product. Super cute. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.